So I promoted this product, and you can see people have already started buying the product. You can see here, this guy has bought. This guy has also bought here. You can see here. So bought. This guy too has bought here. This guy too has also bought here. You can see here. Now I just ran ads to this particular product, right? And I got a lot of people that showed interest. Some that have bought, some that have not replied, right? So I'm waiting for their reply. And I'm also getting newer response, newer people wanting to buy the product and stuff. So I just created this product, I think last week, right? And I just tested it out because this is literally test, and that's what you have to understand. You see, when you create a product, the first thing you have to do is to test it to get data about the product, right? You're just going to like invest money to test, like run ads to see how the people react to the product, whether people like the product, what is it that you can like modify or increase about the product. I'm going to show you how to go about this, right? This is someone that just texted me, hi, I'm interested, right? This one too here came and said I'm interested. He said his name is Kelvin, right? Because I intentionally made it in such a way that when people text me, they're going to get this, hi, I'm interested, I want to pay, get access, my name is this, right? I made everything in such a way that that's how people are just going to like put their names, right? Then I will now say nice to meet you, Kelvin, right? And then save my number as Victor and type done, so we proceed. Then Kelvin says done, right? Then I send him like this is it, pay this to this my account, or you can use this, right? This link here that will take them to the product, right? And then you get access to the product. So that's how I just do. You can see this guy too came here and then said, hi, I'm interested, I want to pay. My name is, he didn't put his name, and I'll say name please, right? This other guy did the same thing. He didn't put his name, I said name please. Now as a marketer, right, that creates products, right, you have to understand something very, very important. You don't create offers or products and then release them out there just to make money. Like, this is how the low level people think, right? So if you want to think from a high perspective, a high level marketer, right, you create products to acquire people. So people are much more important than the sales that you're going to make. So you have to make them to save your contact, right, and save theirs, and try as much as possible to like chat them up and try to get familiar with them. Do you understand? Do you know why? The reason is because if you get to know someone, right, if you get to know someone, someone gets to know you, that person develops trust, right? The person develops trust. So now when the person develops trust, the person likes you, you guys start to chat, right? You guys start to watch each other's status, right? It's way much easier for you to like introduce another product to that person, and that person has the tendency, like you have the tendency to make sales from that person. Do you get the point? So you have to think big, and this channel, you think big. So if you're here for the first time, my name is Victor and I make videos around making money online, right? Entrepreneurship and mindset shift for wealth, right? So if you're interested in those kind of topics, right, subscribe to the channel and follow me, right? And then join my WhatsApp group under the description of this video. Like, join the channel, because I think that is where I'm going to be posting a lot of closer things that you're going to get access to like deep informations, right? So join the channel now. Also share this video with 5 friends. Share the video with 5 friends, right? If you got value from the video, just keep watching. Now the first thing you're going to do is to come to this website called DeepSeek.com, right? I've been making videos with DeepSeek like for some time now. If you're watching my videos for some time now, you understand that we use DeepSeek a lot, right? So let's go to DeepSeek and let's start making the product. Now the question you ask me is, Victor, what is the product? What is the product that you created that people are buying now? Let me show you what the product is. So this is the particular product, right? This is the product, and it's sold for just 500 naira, and I'm going to explain why it's sold for 500 naira, right? The product is just simply like a list of channels, right? Telegram channels that people get free movies from, right? Instant access to free movies to Telegram channels, right? Where people get movies from, right? There's also a free bonus of a channel where people get access to like job opportunities every single day, right? So this there's just a link created, right? This is just access to these channels, right? That's just simply what the product is all about. So when you pay the 500 naira, then you now get access to these channels, right? You just tap on a link, it redirects you to all of these channels that I've mentioned, right? Where you get movies to watch, right? And where you also get like job opportunities, right? Now you have to understand this. Anytime you want to create a product, right, you have to sit down and think, okay, now this product I'm creating, what problem am I solving, right? So now I sat down and I thought about it. Now I have access to these channels where people watch film, and sometimes I go out, right, and I see people saying, Victor, send me movies. Victor, do you know where I can get some movies? Victor, I was like, these guys don't really understand that there are channels whereby they can get movies, right? Like, there are channels whereby you can get movies. Yeah, now out of it, okay, let me just put a price on the channels that I have, because I have access to it, like information. Over time I got access to those channels, right? So I now just package everything like those channels, and I just felt that I should add more value to it. So I now also belong to a group whereby they post job opportunities, right? So I now just included the link to that group also, as like to add more value to the particular product. So when you want to create a product, you have to look at, okay, this product that I'm creating, how valuable is it to people, and then put a price, right? Now you come to DeepSeek and then type this, right? Just list me 5 Telegram channels, right, that post movies regularly, and let them be active channels, please. So we're not going to tap on go. So now you can see it told us that it cannot provide direct link or name to these Telegram channels, but we can now search this, right? This movie HD, latest movies and free. So what we are going to do is just to copy this name, right, like this, and let's go to Telegram and search for this. Now I'm going to show you another the easiest way to go about this, right, to go about this. But let me just show you how to do, so you can now learn how to do it yourself. But if you don't want to like go through all of this headache, I will show you another easy way to like go. So just stick to this video, right? So now we're now going to go to Telegram, then we're now going to come to this search, and then we're now going to search it here. So you can see it's this movie HD. So you can now tap on this. You can keep on searching to see whether we are going to get films that they've been posted. So what you're going to do is to come here to this side, right? You come to this side, you can see here you can see this is like Indian movies and stuff. Let's go to files. There's no file here, so we can't use this. Let's go back to search again, and then paste the same movie HD, and then come down to this cartoon and movie animation, right? So we'll now come down to this side also. You can see media. You come to files. Let's see, there's nothing here. Now you keep on doing it until you get a channel whereby it has let's tap this Korean. Come down here. When you tap on files, it's supposed to show you a lot of files, right, like this. Now let me show you the easiest route, because you can just do the same thing if you search all of this, right? Search all of this. If you don't find, so after you finish pasting that movie HD, and it doesn't give you like any channel that is you understand, quality channel that has videos and has films, what you're going to do is to go back again and then copy this latest movie, the keyword latest movie. Let's just copy it and then take it to the Telegram. This is you literally searching for like Telegram channels like today. So you can see, alright, let's see this Nollywood latest movies. Let us come down here. Okay, you can see this. So you can see this Nollywood latest movies. You can see here it's okay. There are a couple of there are a couple of movies that have been posted here. So we can now slide up to files. Let's see files. Good, you can see. So it means that here this is a very good channel that you can now copy the link. So you come here and then copy the link of this channel, and then you now take it to and then paste it somewhere safe, right? You can now paste it here on our notepad, right? We have gotten one channel that we can now like make as Nollywood and stuff like that. So that is how you're going to search, right, for channels. You can see we've gotten one link to like a channel that posts like Nigerian movies, right? So you've gotten access to that. You've copied the link, right? So this link is like the product that you're going to sell. Now we don't have time to like be searching all of this because I've done the whole work for you. The second most easiest way to go about this is just to buy this particular product, right? Yeah, this particular product, the product I just showed you that people are buying, right? Just buy it, right? Because you're buying it because you want like the link, right, to the product that you want to resell it, right? So you're just buying it. So you just check on the description of this video. You're going to see the link. Just tap on it and it's going to bring you here. So all you're going to simply do is just tap on buy, and then just buy. It's just 500 naira, right? Just check out and then buy. It's very, very simple. After you buy the products, right, you're going to get access to the links, right, of the whole channel that I have already done all the works for you. You don't have to be suffering checking all of these things. And there's also bonus for channel that will give you access to like job opportunities, right? So after you've gotten all the link, right, then you now package this product, make the product well, package it well. Now let me show you. Let's go and package the product well so you understand. Now after I've gathered all your links, right, now you copy the link and come to this website called Google Docs. That is you recreating this product afresh, right? Because I just created the product. You can see mine here. So you now come here to this new document, right? Just tap on new document. Now when you're here in the new document, all you have to do is to go to your notepad, right, where you've copied all the links. So you now copy this like this, you copy it, and then you're now going to bring all of them and then paste them here. So you see, you can see this is the channel here for the Nigerian movies, right? So you've not pasted them here. So what you're going to do is now let's make this a link. Or if you paste is supposed to be a link, just come to this side here and then make insert link, and then it's now a link, right? So you now have, so that's how you create the whole product. Now how do you design the product to make it more qualitative, like, you understand, to like make the product more qualitative? What you're going to do is to go to your Chrome, right, or your browser, and then type canva.com, right, and you're going to bring it to this website where you're going to edit like graphic design and stuff. So when you come to this, just when you go to home page, right, so this is how you're going to see your Canva. So you can now come here to this square Instagram post, right? You can see here this Instagram post square, right? So you can now tap on it. So it's going to bring you to something like this here. So you can see this where I edited everything, right? So what you're going to do is just to your own page, your own is going to like show you a blank page. So you're just going to start editing by simply just coming here to, now it's very straightforward to edit with Canva, right? If you don't know how to edit Canva, please just check YouTube, you learn how to edit with Canva, right? To this text, right? And you just add text. When you add text, then you now add all the text that you want to like depict, right? So you can see the secret channel, understand? Secret channels. You can come here and then just tap here. Just do the whole editing. It's just take your time to do the editing, right? Paste it here. Secret channel. Then I already like downloaded like the pictures to movies, so you can come here to just like download all of this. Like let's just save this, save this picture. So come here and then save this particular one, right? So now we're not going to bring those pictures you have just downloaded, right? You can do this on your mobile phone, but system is actually very simple to like use, but you can also do all of these things on your mobile phone. We're just going to bring all the pictures that I've just downloaded, right, to the canvas, so you can see them here. These are the pictures, so you can just make it in such a way. You can see I'm literally showing you how I did everything, right, to get that particular product. So you can just make it this way, just edit it in your own way, right? I don't have time, just edit it in your own way. After you've done editing, you put all the information. You can see here there's all the information here, and all the strike price, 5,000 strikes, like pay only 500 naira, put your own price, right? The reason why I'm putting 500 I'll explain, right? So now you now come here to like share, right, and then download this image that you've like edited, right? If you don't know how to use Canva, please check the internet. This is not a tutorial to use Canva, please. So then you're not just going to download it and we're good to go. Now let's calm down and then let's rephrase what we've done, right? First of all, research on DeepSeek, right, like for the channels, right? Then when you're now getting the keyword, then you now take the keyword and then paste it on Telegram channel, right? On Telegram, right? So that you're going to get a list of those channels. Then you now search and then see whether these channels have like actually like videos, right? So now you're now going to copy the link of those channels that have particular videos, because this is the value you're giving to people. Then copy all of them, right? Now if you don't have time to do all of these things, you can just buy this particular product that I've just showed you, right? I've done all the work for you, so you get access to the whole links, right? That are there. I think they're up to like 6 or 5 links to these channels. The channels that will give you like access to the movies, right? So you just copy everything. Then you're not going to go and edit. Keep what you've copied, keep the links, right? You take the link to Google Docs, right, to edit the links. You just keep the link there. Then the next thing is to like go to Canva and then edit branding of the products, right? Like the graphic design. You get the point. Now after you've edited the graphic design, then you list those products, right, on the internet for people to pay you money for. How do you do that? Now you go to this website called seller.com, right? Now this is the website where you come to seller.com, right? All you have to do is just start selling with seller. Just tap on it, start selling with seller, and you're going to now register. It's very simple. Start selling with seller. When you're registered on seller, you're going to come to these 3 lines here, and then you're now going to come. This is how you're going to see your product. You're now going to see this product here that shows product, right? Just tap on it and then tap on add products, right? It's going to bring you where you're going to add digital products. So just tap on next, add digital products, right? Now this is where you're going to drag and add the graphic design, right, that you just made for the particular product. This is what people are going to see, right? This particular graphic here, right, that you just created. So you're going to just drag it and drop it here. Let me just show you an example with this image that I just downloaded. So you're just going to drop it here, and you're going to see it's going to show here, right? So edit it and then make it available. Then you now paste it here. You now like upload the picture here, because that is what people are going to see. When you come down here, the name of the product, you can now put any name you want, right? Channels, right? So you now come here to price, right? Then we're not going to put 500, or depending on whatever price you want to put. Now let me talk about this price. Now you see, one thing about price is that price is a very delicate like part of marketing, right? It's it's a broad topic on its own, right? Why do you put certain things at certain prices, right? It's something that you have to sit down to think as a marketer. You really have to have like knowledge about price, how price works. Now, the reason why this price is 500 naira is because one, it's a low ticket offer, right? It's a low ticket offer. There's not a lot of work with it, right? You just got few Telegram channels that anyone can just get. It's just that people don't have the time to do this work, right? To get access to them and then just give it available, but put a price, a little price on it. Now, the reason why we put a price on it is because one, at least we want to make money, right? That is one. Like that is the main goal, to make money. Like we did all this work and we're not going to make money. Come on. Now, the reason why the price is low is because it's low is when you want to test a product out, right? Start with low prices, because you don't have a lot of money to waste, right? So start with low prices. So when you put the price out there low, it's very easy for people to buy. You get the point? Like people don't think about it. 500 naira is not something to really think about before you purchase, right? So if you purchase something 500 naira, like you choose purchase something for like 1,000 naira, you just purchase something like 5,000 naira. It's not really so much money that you're going to get headache. But you see, when you purchase something for like 100,000, you know that, you understand, like 1,000 is some amount of money, right? 50,000 at least, some degree. So putting it as low price to test the product is one of the things that it's a smart thing to do as a marketer, and also it's a low ticket offer, right? So 2 reasons. One is that it's a low ticket offer, right? There's not so much work there's not so much thing to like put inside, right? Why should we charge so much? 2 is for test. So if you want to sell a low ticket offer that doesn't, the value, right, it's just same with the price, you get that kind of thing, make the price low. 2, if you want to test a product out there, start with a low price. Don't try to test product with a high price. People won't buy, right? And you'll not get reason why people don't buy. So when you put a low price there, people are much more likely to like buy, and then you get the information from them, like whether they love the product or not. Then when you get a lot of data information from them, whether they love product or not, then you cannot increase the price. This is not the time, this is not the video for price, please. Price is 500 naira. You can put yours whatsoever. If you agree with what I've taught you about pricing, then you can just stick with this, but if you don't, then you can just put whatsoever, right? And here you're just going to put like the details about the product, right? So just still put the same name here, details about the product right here, and then I'm now going to come down here to categories, right? Categories of the product. I'm going to select what categories now. Content media, right? And then here's subcategories, video animation, right? Let's just leave it there. And then I'm going to come down here, right? Now this is the thing. You can see this downloadable file. Now what I want you to do is to go back to Google Docs, right? Go back to Google Docs. Now it's expected that you've gotten all the links to the like channels, right? You've gotten all the links to the channels and you've posted it here. Now you can now also do something here. When you come here to this, you can now add an image, right, to like make the thing much like catchy. So we'll add image to product. So I'm going to add this particular image to the products, right, that we just edited. Yep, so you can see it here. So I've added image, and then with all the list of the other links to like the product, right? Now the next thing I want to do is to now come here to this file, right? File, and then come down here to download, and then download it as PDF document. So download it as PDF document. Now when you download it as PDF document, it's usually going to download on your phone or your system, right? Now because that's downloaded on your phone or system, what you're going to do is now to copy the PDF and then paste it here. You understand? Paste it here so you can see it here. Now this is the document, right, that I've pasted here. Now all you're going to do after now is just to come here and then just tap on create product, and it's automatically going to create. So you're going to have your product looking this way, right? Looking this way. So with the price and everything, and this is how you're going to get the whole product looking this way, right? So that is how you're going to create the product, right? Now the question is, now Victor, after I've created the product, how do we promote the product, right? How did you promote your product? Now I always emphasize on using WhatsApp TVs, right? Because if you're a beginner and you don't have a lot of money, right, stick to using WhatsApp TVs. Now under the link of this description, you're going to get access to like the WhatsApp TVs. A lot of WhatsApp TVs. There's also a product, right? You can just get access to it. But let me show you how the WhatsApp TVs are going to like post your product and how you're going to chat them to post your products, right? So now you can see here, this is me with the WhatsApp TV, right? And I now made like an ad video, right? This ad video I made, right, for the product, and then came down here to like, this is the product, and then this is like the link, right, that I made, right, and everything very organized, right? And the WhatsApp TV posted my work. So let me show you like the post that he did. So you can see it here. So you can literally see it here. This is my product that is live that he has posted. This is the product that is live that he has posted, and this is the write-up. So people just tap on this link and it's going to bring them to my DM. And see me here, it's going to bring them to my DM, and then they're just going to chat me up and they're going to now buy the product if they're interested. Now I've literally shown you, I've literally given you everything for free, right? Everything for free. So everything is available under the description of this video, right? So the link to the product, so I get access to the channels, right? If you got value from this video, please subscribe to the channel. And also if you want to promote the G4G affiliate marketing product, right, because I have a particular like the G4G affiliate marketing products, right, you can literally promote my products like for free and get a commission. If you want to do that, then you can chat me up, right, or comment on the description. Just comment that, Victor, I want to help promote your product and I'm going to make you an affiliate, right, for free, right, for free. You're going to promote the product for free. Bye. See you in the next one.